Hello class 6. This is the third part of the chapter 10 from your English Rapid book. So we have completed up to page number 52 and we are going to start from the page number 53. So before starting the class, I would like to say that what we have learnt from the previous video. In previous video I told you that Uncle Tom, as you know that Uncle Tom was very lovable to all the children. So Uncle Tom met a little girl whose name was Eva St. Clair. So the little was very lovely looking, and Uncle Tom liked her very much, and Uncle Tom made different kinds of crafts for her and he gifted to the little girl. So little girl also wanted to take Uncle Tom, and she told Uncle Tom that he would she would tell to her father to take Uncle Tom, and after that what happened we are going to read. A little later the boat had stopped to take in wood. Eva was standing with her father by the railings to see the boat start. The wheels had just turned 2 or 3 times when, because of a sudden movement, Eva lost her balance and fell over the side of the boat straight into the water. So what happened after some time, that means when they were going into the river, and that time they came to a place where there was a little bit wood was there. Wood means that means you can say that forest type of thing. It was there, and so their boat was stuck into that. So the technicians were helping to remove from that. They were wanted to remove the boat from that place. So they were doing their works, and at that time little Eva was with her father, and little Eva was by the railing, and she was looking that how the workmen were that means fixing the boat. Okay, so there was sudden movement, and because of the sudden movement, what happened? Eva lost her control, lost her balance and fell down into the river. Before her father could jump in, Tom, who was standing on the lower deck and had seen her fall, dived right after her. So her father was also there. Before her father could do anything, Tom was there, and Tom just dived into the that means the river. Being a strong fellow and a good swimmer, he caught her as she rose to the surface. So Uncle Tom was a very good physique he had, and also he was a very good swimmer. So he could easily took little Eva, and he just rose to the both of them rose to the surface of the water. Then he came in with her dripping and waded over to the boat side. Then Uncle Tom took little girl and took her into the boat. Okay, and the girl was actually totally wet and dripping with the all water water was dripping from her, that means cloth. Eva was grabbed by many hands that were stretched eagerly from the boat. So all the people, they wanted to take Eva from that place, and what happened next? Next day the steamer drew near the Orleans. That means Eva was rescued by Uncle Tom. So all of them, after helping by Uncle Tom, Eva was rescued, and then all of the people, they tried to help that little girl also. Next day the steamer drew near New Orleans. So what happened? The next day the steamer went to New Orleans. People who would be getting off were gathering their things together. Tom could see Eva and her father standing on the other side of the boat. Her father was talking to Haley. So what happened? The boat was coming to the coming to New Orleans, and there the people who were get off from the boat, they were taking their things together. Okay. And that time what happened, Tom could see that Eva was there and her father was also there, and they were talking, and her father was talking to Mr. Haley. St. Clair handed over a large bundle of notes to the trader, who gave him a bill of sale looking mighty pleased. What happened? St. Clair, that means who was St. Clair? St. Clair was Eva's father. St. Clair handed over a large bundle of notes to the trader, who gave him a bill of sale looking mighty pleased. What happened? That means you can understand, that means that that means this man, Eva's father, he took Uncle Tom. He gave some money to Mr. Haley, and Haley was also giving a business paper. Maybe there was an agreement that from then onwards Uncle Tom would be residing with St. Clair. Okay. So his father was looking very happy. Father and daughter came up to Tom, putting the tip of his finger under Tom's chin. He said good-humoredly, "Look up, Tom, and see how you like your new master." Tom felt tears coming into his eyes, seeing that gay, handsome, and smiling face, and said gratefully, "God bless you, master." So what happened? Father and daughter, that means Mr. Saint and Eva, they came up to Tom. And what happened after that? Putting the tip of his finger under Tom's cheeks, he said good-humoredly. Then Mr. Saint, he just took with the help of his finger, he just took the chin of Uncle Tom, and he just he just told, he just put it up, and he told that, just see who had become your new master. So obviously Uncle Tom could understand that his new master was Mr. Saint, and he was very, very happy for that, and he said that, "God bless you, master." Who said? Uncle Tom, after realizing that he now he became he belonged to Mr. Saint, so he was very happy, and his eyes were teary, and he told that, "God bless you, master." Later the three of them, along with the elderly lady, left the boat to go to their home in New Orleans. And after that we could see that four of them, that means Mr. Saint, his daughter, and that elderly lady who was looking after Eva, and Uncle Tom, all of them, they left the place, they left the boat, and they went to their home in New Orleans.